Hey, this is Grab and Go Advice. I wanted to show you the cabinets that they have here at Home Depot available. What you can do is you can talk to someone here, an expert, and they will give you ideas kind of for whatever size kitchen you have and what you could use. Not that crazy about. That is unique. You can see through the glass slightly on these. Let me see if there are more kitchens around the back. I saw some in the middle, so I'm going to head to those. Now this is gorgeous. What I like about this is right there where you can stack your plates. I have been wanting one of those so bad. I'm not that crazy about the color. I like the lighter color cabinets better like that. But to have a kitchen this color, that's a really pretty vanilla. And to include one of these would be awesome. But so far, I'm going to back up. So far, this is my favorite kitchen right there. I do like those glass cabinets and the ones that are covered where you don't see everything behind. Some people are looking for cabinets this color, and that's what they're looking for. For me, I like this. It's kind of a French, like a country French kitchen. I like the double ovens. Those are nice. And right around here to the right is that white kitchen I like. It has kind of a whitewash look to it that I really do like. If you look in through here, it has a really pretty whitewash look. Now I don't like that where you can see the little holes for the shelves. I don't like that. But it is very pretty. And this color, I think it's actually nice. For the longest time, it seems like everything was stainless steel for the sinks. And here's where the person works that can help you sit down and design your kitchen. These are the door pulls that you can use for your drawers. They have several options. And right there it says Custom Countertop Solutions. And if they don't have enough kitchens in here for you to look at, they have the samples that you can open and look at and through these little things here. I'm going to see what this is over here to the left. Okay, it says Sinmar. And those are countertop selections. And there's one of the last kitchens I think I see. It looks like Thomasville is very popular as far as the brand of kitchens that they're going for. And then they have Craft-Made. The one I was looking at a second ago is called American Woodmark. But you know what, if you come into Home Depot, you can really get a good idea for your kitchen, like looking at these granites and natural stones. Right there is quartz. I didn't know they had so many choices in quartz. And then the granite right there. And then over here is laminate. The laminate's definitely going to be a more affordable way to go. But I prefer to, I love granite. We have granite and absolutely love it. Alright, this is Grab and Go Advice at Home Depot. Looking at this sample kitchens that they have. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. God bless. Have a great day.